Hi everybody, this is GTD Crow. Today we're gonna discuss our problem statement about infrastructure in Africa, especially education. We come with appropriate and creative solution. This is the educational hubs. So first, the educational problem in Africa. This is lack in adequate educational infrastructure in Africa. Affects millions, creating severe barriers to learning through overcrowded classroom, no electricity, and poor sanitation. So this problem affects a human by negative way. This problem disproportionately affects the most vulnerable children in remote areas, girls, and students with disabilities, leading to high dropout rate and reduce the social mobility. So we suggest a solution. We propose a multifaceted approach centered around the community educational hubs to deliver complete modern learning environment where none exists. So how it works, especially in physical hubs. We will establish solar power hubs in target villages equipped with large screens for group instruction, creating a central, safe, and modern classroom environment. For the content and devices, each student receives a regularized solar chargeable device preloaded with the high quality curriculum, enabling both group and individual offline learning. So they can learn offline in educational hubs. For community empowerment, our model includes bi-weekly Q&A sessions led by a trained local facilitator and a feedback loop system for partners to ensure the solution meets the community's needs. Our team introduce our dedicated multidisciplinary team: Ammar, Ahmed, Osama, Ahmed Saad, Aya, Yusab, and Rana, covering roles from UX research to project manager, ensuring we have the expertise to deliver. So our prototype, we have already moved from concept to reality. I'm gonna show you the prototype to our Figma prototype demonstrating the user flow for both students and facilitators. Right now we have a very easy to use application. As we see, we have 4 pages. The first one, we can enter our email address and password. Then we can log in, and this can take us to the second home page. As we can see, online materials and offline materials. Our material can be divided in lessons. It will be online or offline as a choice. So if we choose the offline education, we can see that downloaded we have downloaded the material here. Can navigate our lesson subjects and so on. And then we have resources like PDFs, a checklist, and so on. Then we have bookmarks that can make some bookmarks to review and summary our material and prepare revisions. As we see, these four these 4 pages facilitate easy to use and amazing experiment in our application, and it will be a useful journey to the students. By sure, we learned and concluded some results from users. We tested a prototype with users. Key feedback showed conversion. Our external link has algorithm labels, and an intuitive interface for certain features. How we are responding to this feedback? We are already acting on that feedback by redesigning screens for clarity, adding icons and better labels, and prioritizing the integration of key content for offline assets to enhance usability. We are seeking a seed investment of $50,000. This funding will allow us to launch a pilot program to build and operate three fully equipped educational hubs in three different villages, reaching over 300 students in the first year. Our vision is a future where every child has access to quality education regardless of their location, the community